Good afternoon, everyone. Biff Bunghole in the BNN studio with breaking news from the Bigfoot community. This just in. A dramatic standoff in the Bigfoot community between Crypto Reality and YouTube Corporation. It started when the researcher Mark Zaski from the Crypto Reality YouTube channel let his ass get seriously chapped by an 8-month-old Facebook post started by Christopher Noel. It looks like Mark thinks it's okay to file false copyright claims against fair use material in order to silence Biff Bunghole's Bigfoot community news. I just took out his video clips until my counterclaim comes back. You will not silence Biff Bunghole's free speech with your liberal bullshit. But Mark's diaper rash got even worse when a user by the name of Florida Crypto R called him out as a criminal in the comment section of Bigfoot Tony's latest video on pareidolia.
Like, these people have literally gone to the lengths of, like, trying to bring up people's pasts to try to defame them. And in the process, the platforms will allow this.
But instead of proving Florida Crypto R wrong, Mr. Zaski went after Bigfoot Tony, believing he included him in his pareidolia video, then instigated and allowed the abuse.
You got people out there that don't conduct field research, that live in other countries, that promote negative information about researchers, and yet there's, like, people lining up, making videos about pareidolia, and then trying to include them in it and use their name in the comments on fucking Bigfoot Tony's channel. And Tony sits back and lets it go. And you know you're doing it. You're a scumbag, man.
Mr. Zaski claims they never go after anyone. They only defend their work. Yet Bigfoot Tony never so much as mentions Crypto Reality and gets attacked and threatened.
I'm just, like, doing my thing, man. And like, we don't go after people or do anything like that. We defend our work. That's not going after people, man. People go after us, and then we defend our work. Because the gloves are coming off. I got news for you. You think you're going to trash me online? You think you're going to do all this stuff? You better get ready for reciprocation. You understand that? So monitor your channels. Because trust me, man, people are trying to trash you on my channel. And you can go through every single video I own. And I delete all that shit. Because it's the right thing to do. Even if I don't like you. So if you can't do the right thing, expect consequences.
Mr. Tony informed Mark he knew nothing about the abuse and assured him he would take care of the situation. The gesture seemed to please Mr. Zaski until he went live a few hours later and continued to blame Mr. Tony for this, along with trashing his channel, calling it garbage.
Hey, what's up, man? I appreciate you straightening the people out, man. That's a bunch of bullshit, dude, over there. You know what I'm talking about. That's some scummy shit those people pull. And you know, man, it's like, I've never seen anything like that. I mean, you talk about some psychologically disturbed individuals. That's their interaction with people online. That's what that channel promotes. Garbage. It's straight garbage. Straight garbage, that channel.
Their dedicated subscribers left uplifting comments to Mark and Melanie, telling them to ignore the haters and not let them get to them. But this was met with complaints by Melanie Zaski, claiming she foots the bill to bring them information and that their subscribers pay nothing. Knowing these were damning comments and proved what they have denied all along, that this is a job and money comes before their humanitarian issue, Mark promptly deleted the comments. The next day, the sand found in Mark's vagina reached epic levels when a subscriber sent him a screenshot of Crypto Reality having 235,000 subscribers. While subscribers cannot see Crypto Reality's subscriber count due to the settings Mark has in place, this triggered Mark into believing YouTube was holding out on them sweet YouTube dollars, which prompted him to wipe the channel in hopes of forcing his followers to join their members' site. Also in the news, Fred Caney claims his Bigfoot documentary Tidbits is the #1 show around the planet. BNN investigates to find out why their platform is so well regarded in the Bigfoot community. Details tonight at 6. I'm Biff Bunghole reporting from BNN News, Channel 69, your trusted news network.